Hello cute childrens, I hope you will be fine. So today I'm gonna make a Cinnamoroll. So please watch full video to have fun. Let's get started. For this purpose I have to draw a nose between the paper, and nose you have to draw like this. Okay, like this. And now what's more, the other part you have to draw a straight line under the nose like this. And before drawing the face I will draw a eyes. I'm drawing eyes with blue pen, like blue color. You can draw with your own marker color as well, no problem. So we have to draw eyes. Okay, side by side you have to draw eyes and color it with blue color because eyes are blue. Okay, so I have drawn. So now what is more, we have to again take the marker and we have to draw hands. These are the hands, like V shape, but it's the corner are round. The corners are round and it's V shape. And now you have to imagine it okay, here, and your chin is going from here. Okay, I do it. Okay, so now I have to draw the face. The face you have to draw like this. Okay, and the same here. Okay, but I have to do it round. Okay, nice. So now what is more we have to draw a upper part. Like you have to put two dots. Okay, and you have to meet these 2 points. Okay, nicely done. So this is for ears. I have left the space. For ear we have to draw first of all one, and the same here. Okay, so now we have to draw a like this, like it's round, and go back to the face. Same here, it's round and go back to the face. Okay, nicely done. It's little bit small and it's big, but no problem, we are just having fun. So now I have to draw body. So for body I have to take nearby the hands. I have to draw this round, and again okay here. And now I have to draw what? You have to put a line. Okay, you have to leave to here, and here we will draw like this V shape. V shape. So nicely done by me. So now what is more we have to do? We have to draw tail. So for tail we have to draw around. Okay, nicely done. So now what is more, a little thing we have to do more. So now what we have to do? We have to draw here the pink cheeks. So it's looking like cool. So now I have to dark it, and I meet you after 1 minute. So Yupu, our drawing is totally ready. So our Cinnamoroll, it's totally ready. So now You have to watch full video always, and please subscribe my channel, share it with your friends so you can make together a beautiful drawing. So please be careful. Until the next video, we meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.